These are the methods of raising capital through primary market. The first one is through public issue. In this case, an public appeal is made to subscribe the new shares by the company. Some companies sell shares directly to the public, and while some companies take help of the brokers. The company appoints an advertising agency to advertise about the issue of new shares. The public issue can be further divided into two types, that is the IPO, that is initial public offer, and the follow on public offer. Let's first discuss the IPO. So in this method of raising securities, the company sells the shares or the stock to the general public for the first time. Whereas in the second method, that is offer for sale method, instead of offering the shares directly to the public by the company, it offers through the intermediaries such as the issue houses, the merchant banks, the investment banks, and the brokers. Under this method, the sale of securities takes place in two stages. In the first stage, the issuing company sells the shares to the intermediaries, which is at an agreed price. And in the second stage, the intermediaries resell these securities to the ultimate investors at the market price. This price will be higher. The difference between the purchase price and the issue price represent the profit of the intermediaries. Then the second is through rights issue. So rights issue means new shares which are offered to the existing shareholders. When a company wants to raise additional capital, the securities are first offered to the existing shareholders. If the shareholders do not want to buy the shares, then the company can sell shares to the outside public. And the third one is private placement. The private placement of shares means that the company sells its shares to small group of investors. It can sell to the banks, to the insurance companies, or some other kind of financial institution. So this is an economical and quick method of selling the securities. The company does not sell its shares to the public in case of private placement. So these are the three basic methods through which the capital is raised in primary market.